Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to introduce another rare car that we're going to be working on. This is it's a late 1955 Jaguar. This series is referred to as the Mark VII. So this car is a Mark VII II, very, very rare. It's left-hand drive, and there's roughly 2,000, a little over 2,000 made, maybe 2,100. We'll do some more research for you. But the owner of this car has had it sitting in his garage for I think 21 years approximately. So what we refer to as the bones of the car or the main structure appear to be in quite decent shape. So all we have done so far is we long hauled the vehicle, so we have our own truck and trailer with a winch. So basically we picked it up, we hauled it here, and now we're bringing it into the shop. So the first step, what we're going to do is you notice we've got it in backwards and we're ready to put it up on the hoist. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a general inspection first before we start taking anything apart. But I'll share with you what our plan is going to be. We'll be removing the front bumpers and grille and fascia. We're going to remove this engine. This engine is seized. It hasn't rolled over in quite some time. We'll probably attempt to sell this for the customer because there'll be someone out there that will want, because these are a very, very rare car. It's probably restorable like anything else, but what we're going to do is we have a donor car, a much newer Jaguar, and we're going to basically upgrade the power plant. So instead of being a manual transmission, it's going to be an automatic. So we'll share all those details later, but for now, I just wanted to show you a basic introduction. It was at a body shop at one time. I think there was a fire in the building because you've got the trunk lid and stuff, and the sunroof is all burnt. But these are quite a neat car. So I think what we'll probably do is after we do the general inspection on the hoist, when we have it up on the hoist, we'll shoot a little video. Our customer lives far away too. So what we'll do is we'll shoot a video underneath just to show, before we really start doing anything, what we see underneath, what we like and what we don't like. And then we'll take a closer look at the overall condition. But I'm quite impressed with it so far. Being a 1955 model, generally in this area in Canada, they rust it out substantially more than what this one is. So it'll be kind of a neat car to do. So we're kind of excited about it. These are very, very rare, hardly any in our area. And there's some things we don't like about the way they repaired the fenders. They basically put some steel patches over top of rusted panels. But we'll look into what options we have with this. We also have a donor parts car, which is going to help with some of the trim and the wood interior, because the interior is pretty much gutted right now. So it won't get too long-winded. We'll just basic introduction, and then we'll get it up on the hoist. We'll shoot another video just to see what it looks like underneath. And then from there, then we'll talk about, we'll show it with the engine out probably, because we want to get all this kind of bopped up and ready for its other power plant. So we like to dry fit everything in before we do the body work on it. So I thank you for watching. This is a rare 1955 Jaguar Mark VII. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.